जय हिंद गाइस, स्वागत है आपका आपकी फैमिली 24/7 से जोन में। तो आज की क्लास में हम सॉल्व करेंगे बायोलॉजी के कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। ये हमारी फैकल्टी है, आप इनसे पहले से ही रूबरू होंगे। और जो हमारी क्लास पहली बार कर रहे हैं तो उनके लिए मैं बता दूं, मैं हूं पलक एंड आई एम गोना गाइड यू इन केमिस्ट्री एंड बायोलॉजी। Question number 1. Venation means the arrangement of leaf, option A, on the stem, option B, on the root, option C, both, or option D, none. So the right answer is option number A, which is on the stem. Venation means the arrangement of leaf on the stem. Next, in photosynthesis, the light reaction is known as Hill reaction and dark reaction is known as option A, Blackman reaction, option B, black reaction, option C, darkman reaction, or option D, none. So the right answer is option number A, Blackman reaction. In photosynthesis, the light reaction is known as Hill reaction and the dark reaction is known as Blackman reaction. Next, polyploidy is the most common in option A, animal kingdom, option B, plant kingdom, option C, fungi, or option D, protista. So the right answer is option number A, animal kingdom. Polyploidy is the most common in animal kingdom. Next, the vascular bundle arranged in cycus petiole is option A, T-shaped, option B, L-shaped, option C, inverted shaped, or option D, inverted omega shaped. So the right answer is option number D, which is inverted omega shaped. The vascular bundle arranged in cycus petiole is inverted omega shaped. Next, the disease caused by fungus Colletotrichum falciparum is known as option A, downy mildew, option B, red rot, option C, leaf curl, or option D, none. So the right answer is option number B, red rot. The disease caused by fungus Colletotrichum falciparum is known as red rot. Okay, next question. Parthenocarpy is induced by option A, ABA, option B, IAA, option C, GA, or option D, none. So the right answer is option number B, which is IAA. अच्छा, अब IAA का फुल फॉर्म क्या है ये आप लोग मुझे कमेंट में बताना, और मैं इसका राइट आंसर भी कमेंट में ज़रूर से प्लेस कर दूँगी, बट पहले आप कमेंट करिएगा IAA का फुल फॉर्म, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, mycosis are diseases caused by option A, mycobacteria, option B, fungi, option C, algae, or option D, none. So the right answer is option number B, which is fungi. Mycosis are the diseases caused by fungi. Next, the respiratory center is present in this part of the brain. Option A, cerebral hemisphere, option B, cerebellum, option C, medulla oblongata, option D, spinal cord. So the right answer is option number C, medulla oblongata. The respiratory center is present in this part of brain is medulla oblongata. Next, the organ that removes nitrogenous waste in man. Option A, kidney, option B, skin, option C, lungs, or option D, none. So the right answer is option number A, which is kidney. The organ that removes nitrogenous wastes in man is kidney. Next, theory of natural selection propounded by option A, Darwin, option B, Lyell, option C, Hutton, option D, none. So the right answer is option number A, which is Darwin. Theory of natural selection is propounded by Darwin. Next, which one is a dead cells? Option A, sclerenchyma, option B, collenchyma, option C, parenchyma, or option D, erenchyma. So the right answer is option number A, sclerenchyma. Next, Glucose is stored in human body in the form of option A glycogen, option B amylase, option C pepsin, or option D none. So the right answer is option number A glycogen. Glucose is stored in human body in the form of glycogen. Next, the bird that can fly backwardly. Option A hummingbird, option B sparrow, option C pigeon, or option D none. So the right answer is option number A hummingbird. The bird that can fly backwardly is hummingbird. Okay. Next, the hormone responsible for contraction of uterus muscle during labor is option A insulin, option B histamine, option C oxytocin, or option D none. So the right answer is option number C oxytocin. The hormone which is responsible for contraction of uterus muscle during labor is oxytocin. Next, leprosy is caused by option A Mycobacterium tuberculosis, option B Mycobacterium leprae, option C both, or option D none. So the right answer is option number B, that is Mycobacterium leprae. Leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae. Next, parotid gland secretes an enzyme called option A erepsin, option B amylase, option C mucin, or option D pepsin. So the right answer is option number B amylase. Parotid gland secretes an enzyme called amylase. Next, Dr. Hargobind Khurana was known for option A synthesis of genes, option B synthesis of enzyme, option C synthesis of urea, or option D none. So the right answer is option number A, which is synthesis of genes. Dr. Hargobind Khurana was known for synthesis of genes. Next, ELISA test is a Western blot test is used for the diagnosis of option A AIDS, option B polymyelitis, option C mumps, or option D tuberculosis. So the right answer is option number A AIDS. ELISA test is a Western blot test and is used for the diagnosis of AIDS. Next, the excretory organ in cockroach are option A Malpighian tubules, option B bivalvia, option C nephridia, option D none, so the right answer is option number A, which is Malpighian tubules. The excretory organs in cockroaches are Malpighian tubules. Next, blood clotting means option A fibrinogen changes to fibrin, option B red blood corpuscles die, option C white blood corpuscles die, or option D none. So the right answer is option number A, which is fibrinogen changes to fibrin. Blood clotting means fibrinogen changes to fibrin. हाँ जी, तो आज के क्लास में इतना ही. तब तक के लिए आप अपने जो कोर्सेस हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो आपने 11th-12th में नोट्स बनाए हैं उस 11th-12th के नोट्स को एक बार रिवाइज़ कर लीजिए, सो दैट कि अगर आपको आपके ही नोट्स एक बार रिवाइज़ हो जाएंगे ना, सो आपको MCQ सॉल्व करने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. ठीक है, और बाकी हम तो MCQs करा ही रहे हैं. ठीक है, अगर कोई बच्चा, फिर से मैं बता दूं, अगर कोई बच्चा इंटरेस्टेड है पेड कोर्सेज़ को ज्वाइन करने में, सो वो ईज़िली ज्वाइन कर सकता है. ठीक है, 229 रुपीज़ देना है आपको और आपको आराम से सब कुछ 11th-12th के जितने भी MCQs बनेंगे सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग वो आपको मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, कोई ज़ोर ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है. अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट हो आप तभी बाय करना. ठीक है, बाकी यूट्यूब पे क्लासेस आपको मिलती ही रहेंगी. मॉडल पेपर हम यूट्यूब पे भी करवाते रहेंगे. ठीक है, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस भी करवाएंगे। ठीक है, चलिए जी फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में। जय हिंद, जय भारत।